Welcome to UPDF's official YouTube channel. If you are thinking about how to convert scanned PDF to Excel on Windows, then this video has got it covered for you. First, head to the description below and download UPDF via the link given. Right after downloading UPDF on your system, carefully follow the steps as performed in this video. These will lead to a detailed idea to convert scanned PDF to Excel on Windows quite easily. Open UPDF on Windows and choose the File tab in the top left corner. Choose Open from the drop-down menu and access the scanned PDF to convert it to Excel. Following this, click the Recognize Text using OCR button and tap Perform OCR after customizing the options to make it editable. After this, tap the Export PDF option. Choose Excel and click the Export button. This will make scanned PDF editable in Excel format. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.